Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pick multiple images from gallery by using ImagePicker in Flutter. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and let's open up this lib folder and main.dart file. In the lib folder, let's create new file homepage dot file and let's create here stateful widget. Okay, change the class name to homepage and let's return here scaffold. Now open up the main.dart file again and here let's create stateless widget and send the class name to my app. Okay, now let's return here material app with the home page that we have just created and make this debug soap segment mode banner false, which is the property of material app. Okay, now let's open up the browser and go to the Google and search for NDK version. You'll get this link over here. Click on this link. Okay, now copy this latest NDK version and we have to paste this inside the Android to the NDK version. Now open up this Android folder and this app folder and this build.gradle.kts file and here Android inside this Android. Now to this NDK version, let's put this latest NDK version and close this file now. Okay, now choose the emulator. Okay. Okay, now run this app in the emulator. Okay, now go to the pop.deb and search for image picker and you'll get this package here. Click on this package. Okay, click on this installing tab and copy this command or copy this and add to the dependency inside this file popspec.yml file and you have run this command flutter pop get. Okay, our app is launching. Now in the terminal, let's run this command flutter pop add image picker. Okay, now if you open up this popspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Okay, now close this main.dart file. Okay, our app is taking time to run. Let's stop the app and let's run the app again. Okay, okay, now click on this readme tab and roll down. Okay, see the documentation for other things. Okay, now for this, let's copy this final image picker and paste it here and okay, now import this package, image picker package. Okay, now we have to initialize the list. blank list of file. Image. Okay, import this dart.io. Dart is to io. Okay, and okay, now let's create the function, and let's write here pick image. Pick async. Okay, now roll down. Let's copy this multiple image, pick multiple image, this code, and paste it here. Right here, pick images, and below here, if pick image, pick images not equals to null, and pick images dot is not empty. Okay, in this condition, we'll set the state, and we'll put the this blank list. Okay, we'll keep this blank list. Write your images. Uh, Picked image. And then to picked images. Okay, and we'll map it. Map this picked images, and let's send this E to image. Okay, this element give us the single image. Okay, and we'll map it, and, and change it to list. Okay, okay. By this we get the list of picked images, and we'll map this pick images to list, and we assign this to this images list. Okay, now come down, and let's give the body here, and in the body let's give the column. Okay, and in the column let's give the children, and let's write text here, right here, pick image, pick multiple images, and give the style, text style, and give the font size 22, and here let's give the sized box, sorry, sized box, give the height of 15, and let's see. Okay, now make this column an axis element to center, and also wrap this column with the center widget. Okay, now below this side box, now if images, sorry, if this images is empty, dot is not empty, then we'll show, let's show GridView.builder, and to this sliver grid will get fixed cross-axis count. Okay, for the cross-axis count put 2, and for the item builder we'll return here container with the child text for now. Okay, else we'll show the text the center inside the center widget. So images has been selected. I mean, let's say has been picked. Okay, here you go. And okay, below this, let's create the elevated button. Give the text pick images, and in this picked image you can set the state, and okay, sorry, picked images, we have this function pick image. Let's try it now. Stop the app and run the app. Okay, okay, now let's try to pick. Okay, now as you can see, you can able to select multiple images. Now let's click on done, and we get the error because over here, let's make the shrink wrap to true, and also we can give the cross axis count 2, and here item counts. We have this list images, make these images. Okay, so the images dot length of that list to the item count, and here in the item builder. Okay, as you can see, 3 images has been selected, and in the final, let's get the single image. Okay, from this images list. Okay, like this, and here in the text. Now, instead of text in the container, let's see the images.file, And let's show here image and just try it out. And here we go. Here's the image. Okay, here let's give the width of 200. Maybe let's give the width of double dot infinity and height of 200. Let's see now. Okay, here let's make the fit box fit dot cover and 70. Okay, get the padding as 70. 1B and right by 4 and bottom by 4. Okay, cool. Let's give the decoration. Box decoration and border, border. Border dot all colors dot green white equals to 2 thickness of the border, and it's now looking like this. Instead of padding, change this to margin outside to get the padding to outside. Okay, now let's try to select other images also. More image. Okay, got the error. Make this. We have this column with the child, single child scroll view. Okay, I have this column with a padding also by 25, and here we go. Give the upper to the scaffold. Okay, guys, this is how you can pick multiple images from the gallery by using ImagePicker package in Flutter. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And